last time through I got 100% of the bees.
Oh wow, look at that.
What you see? What?
No, I'm just, the inside looks
Here,
yummy.
Ray, hold your suit there for a second. Now, just turn it off. Come on. Okay, yeah.
Ready?
You see my
Cheers.
smiling?
You're covering your face.
Hold it there. Look up over here.
Yeah.
Right, we need a
There is a
tray.
just a second, just a second.
So what are you gonna do now, Ray?
What we're going to do is these things here are sealed.
Mm-hmm.
All the honey is sealed in there. Okay. So we're going to get this knife. This is a cap and knife. That's
Okay.
called capped. We're going to scrape
It
off
all
on
right.
both sides. Then we're going to put it in there.
And spin
the
it.
honey out.
Okay. Dodge.
Over there.
It's coming out now.
This white thing is a part of the honey?
No, it's
No.
wax.
Okay.
Beeswax.
Oh, don't they use it for something? The bee?
Wax?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
They
candles.
just use it for, you mean us or the bees?
No, like us.
Yeah, we make candles and soap and that out of it.
Is it not put in a cream or something? No.
It does, yeah.
Yeah.
For
Choose it.
cosmetics
Yeah.
as well.
It's quite expensive.
It is. Yeah.
Mix it in.
Bees. Yeah. It's like rich stuff.
Like you can get car, anything with wax. That's a bit percentage of beer. They mix it with petroleum because it's very soft. Petroleum wax is hard, so it's different, you know.
Okay.
But the more beeswax that are in the candles, the most expensive it is.
This is
See
not.
that big? Or that flow? You get the smell of honey, you wouldn't want the percentage.
That's what's the percentage.
That's true.
No.
Oh, sorry. I'm still in action, sorry.
Is it only when you put one you spin, or you have to put the whole lot and spin?
It takes it goes for.
Okay, that's good.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh my god.
See the black knife, the heavy blade, would be better for you get more.
I'm here to eat honey while you guys are here to work.
Well, listen, they don't have your
It tastes so good.
I think this is where chewing gum came from. You know,
Is
the
it?
No, I think about it. Feel it.
So what are you guys gonna do with it? Are you gonna throw it away, the wax?
No, put it in a bowl and then there's the honey in it and slip it out with it into the back of the bowl. You actually can use to make candles or something.
Yeah.
If you want to try start making candles, you could try to sublet them.
I don't know. I can't sign up for that.
You wouldn't like to do that on one of your films?
To do candles? I don't know how to do candles.
Do it first.
Do you want to try?
No, I don't want to waste you guys' honey.
Cut your finger off. You really need one of the small ones.
This one. Hold on. There's a one here.
Scrape it off.
It is massive, sticky.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So if that goes on the floor, which it has,
It has.
you clean
Yeah.
it off and
There's
you'd
bin
walk-
cleaner.
You'd be walking around with it.
That's
I
what I'm
know.
saying to leave the dinner. I'd
If you finish on time, and I'm okay.
Well, look at.
No, there's no lucky. If you finish on time, I'm okay.
It depends on how much anything wants to take out.
Exactly.
Oh, it's lovely.
But you do want to finish before the kids get here. Because it will be massive, messy.
It's soft, right? Yeah.
We got 2, 3 of them to do.
Okay, that's good. So them 4s are gonna get spin now, is it?
Yeah.
That is a massive spinning thing.
It's one of the actually simpler ones. You're all right. I have to go down onto the floor.
Oh, you have to be on the floor. Is it spinning? Nice. Nice. It's not set in properly, is it?
It's probably not in properly. Yeah, no, I see the problem. It's all
Oh,
right.
do you? Okay.
It was me.
You can't break forward. This is the wax and honey ancient chewing gum. Mwah.
Well,
Can you see? Is it okay through those
yeah.
things?
It is perfect. Oh, look at that. They probably have the what is it? The one that can operate. Yeah.
700 quid.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Ray, put in the muscle. Walk that hand. Nobody has 700 quid to waste.
I think you could use an electric drill though.
Yeah.
Is it all done?
No, not at all. It's only starting. You do half at one half, and then you change them over.
All right, okay. You
Where's
turn
all
it.
now there, so-
Yeah. You turn it over.
That's gone. So the other side. And then you have to turn it back to finish that side.
Okay. The bees are gone. I'm going to close that window just in case you decide to bring back friends. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, they're taking our honey.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Would you believe that?
I found out where the honey goes.
There's fellas have done honey,
Yeah.
and they've gone in for their dinner and come back out and left the window open, and the bees
Oh
have come in and
my
robbed all the honey while they
God.
were.
They took back what you stole from them. That's a good one.
This is a finger licking job.
It is a finger licking job.
Take over at any time, just say so. I'm happy to throw my muscle into the situation.
Throw my muscle into this situation. That's hilarious.
No, just what I'm doing now is just finishing over because I didn't spin
The other
the other
side.
one's hard.
Is that what's the black thing in the middle?
It's just a different type of honey.
Okay.
And it could be
The one that has stayed there longer, is it?
no, it could be a bit of what's it called? Pollen.
Okay. Okay.
See what happens.
Because that's what they eat to make the honey, is it?
No, that's the honey is their carbohydrates, and the pollen is their
protein.
Okay.
Is it the other way around?
No. They only need the pollen for the young ones to build them up.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's it. I'll just have a look at one of them. What do you think of that?
How much are we getting? Just so we can see.
Yeah, it's starting to drip down. Yeah. These are they're not fairly.
Full.
Yeah, they're not overly. They're not over the edges, but there's more even than all that one. You can give these back to them anyway. Now they clean them up and all and fill them again.
And they use the honey.
Yeah, that's pollen. See that stuff in there? That's pollen.
Oh, yeah.
It hasn't come out yet.
Okay.
No, I tell you what, I can start.
You can.
Scoop in the other ones.
Now, can I use your assistance here?
Oh, yes?
Yes. I tell you what,
Okay.
I'd scrape it,
Mm-hmm.
and then every so often you go along with the knife, with the back of the knife, and take all the
Yeah.
wax off. You could
The
take
back?
Yeah, here's the back of the square.
Okay.
I'll show you in a minute.
No problem.
Now just go in. What?
What's that?
Practice ones. Is this from the one that swarmed?
No, it's not a big one.
So are they getting ready to? Just take if you can.
So my job is
Yeah.
to scrape, yeah?
Yeah, that was good.
Ooh.
Big one.
Hold on. It's stuck in it.
No, there. Put this in. Now, just get this. Over there. I'll just take it. So we'll get the wax. The wax will be a bit slower process, but we'll get the wax that goes in the tray. You put that all in a plastic container or a bowl or something and seal it. And then it'll separate, you know?
Okay.
That's it, yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm just picking away here just to get that last. Now, let's go to the side same again. See, this is an early, as I say, we get about 40 jars of honey from what we're doing each,
Okay.
120 jars.
Okay.
But in July we should get
More.
more, we should get 3 times that. And then in September. So we've 3 hives actually. One hive died over the winter. I don't know why, but it could be that they got chilled in a sort of a dark spot, you know.
Okay.
And bees couldn't keep it warm enough to survive the winter.
The honey does not come in winter now. It's only now you can
No, what
get
they're
it.
doing is they're taking this to food for the winter.
Okay.
And then during the winter, we feed them a sugar mix. I think it's a sugar flour mix. What's it called? Right, sugar and water.
And then there's also a fondant, which is
Sugar flour, isn't it?
I don't know which one.
Well, it looks like pink icing. No, there's that. Okay.
The wax look delicious. It's like toffee.
Yeah, go on, take it. That's your brother. There's a clean knife.
There's that one, is it?
Yeah, that's good. You know, I have to treat it if you weren't there.
Very chewy.
Isn't it? I can mix that as well.
The wax. That is absolutely tasty.
And then start. So I used to eat that and then they said, oh, why don't we mix it? Move your phone.
Ready? That's your phone. You're gonna move your phone. Oh my god. It is so gooey.
Yeah, that's we're not filtering it.
Yeah.
And what will happen is we have to go into the bucket and then about 3 days all the gooey stuff will go to the top
Okay.
and then we run it through a
Yes.
filter.
Alright.
And then we
If you're doing the filter, if I'm not here, video it.
do something to make sure we're
Alright, that's good.
Look, I took a little bit out of there, Ray, and wax the thing for the kids. Okay, it's not full.
There's another one.
You just close that door.
So it will not go in. Is it stuck in there? Oh. I can hear her. It depends on which side. Oh, he's here. He's somewhere here. Yeah, she's stick. Yeah, she stick her head up. And this line here.
There she is.
Hopefully she won't come charging at me. Yeah, she's on the honey. She's there. You need a pen? Oh yeah, the things are coming to the top. There we go. So what do you do? Like you kind of scoop it out of it, is it?
No, you just leave it for a few days and allow it to top, and then you filter it into another bucket.
Okay.
That stuff comes out at the end.
Okay.
All the wax and stuff going through into the honey.
Alright.
Sometimes you have to filter it a second time.
Second time. Okay.
Be sure.
Oh wow.
And that's what's coming out now.
That's a lot just for 4 frames.
You're not going to spin now, are you?
Huh?
You're not
He's done spinning, but you're gonna empty it in the bucket, isn't it? It's what? A quarter of the bucket, is it? It's somewhere there. It's a big fat bucket as well.
It's 30 litres.
Oh wow.
So probably about 10 litres now, isn't it?
more than 5 gallons, wouldn't it?
In the bucket?
Yeah.
I can't remember the
I
conversion.
remember the 5-gallon drum and smaller than that.
So guys, after doing the whole bee, I volunteered to mop the floor because I felt like the boys has done so much. They have done so much work today harvesting their honey, and this is really my first time of witnessing them harvesting their honey. The last time they harvested the honey, I wasn't here. I just came and collected some honey for myself, so I didn't do the work. So this is my first time of harvesting honey with them, and it was a good experience. I enjoyed doing it. I wouldn't mind doing it again, but yeah, the floor was very sticky, and even before that the floor was dirty, but I was saying, okay, let me leave it until they finish harvesting honey, because there's no way of mopping the floor and mopping it again. So after the honey, and I was like, let me mop the floor for you guys. They were happy that I volunteered to do so, but I must give it to them. They are retired old men, and they still have energy to do stuff that they really enjoy, that they really like, that they are interested in. I mean, like, this is the kind of way that I want to retire. I don't want to just retire and sit down and do nothing. I want to have hobbies. I want to have things that makes me happy. I want to do things with friends, good achievement and good stuff. And I feel like this is a healthy hobby for them, and they really, really enjoyed it. Like, they love it. Um, they're very happy with their hobby, and also they get a very good tasty honey. So I'm going to end the video here today, but then there's an update because I want to see how they when they're gonna sift the honey. They want to let the honey to sit a bit and let all the wasps, some of the wasps that are inside the honey, to kind of rise up, and then they will change the honey into another bucket. So there will be a continuation of that video, because I would love to see it. I was already telling them, if I'm not here when you're doing it, if I'm at work and you're doing it, please make a video for me. And Ray was, oh yeah, Ray is Anto's old time friend. Like, they have been friends since since they were teenagers, since they were a child. So they have been old friends, and they yeah, very good friends. So I was saying, please take a video for me if I'm not there. And Ray was like, yeah, of course, I'll do it for you, of course. But he was also like, we definitely do it on a day that you're around. So I really like that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy harvesting honey with us. I so much enjoyed it. This is my kind of stuff. I love getting my hand dirty, and I enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.